This is the dxy orbital, dyz orbital, and dzx orbitals are oriented in between the x, y and z axis. But dx square y square orbital and dz square orbital, that is dx square y square orbital, is oriented along the xy axis and dz square orbital is oriented along the z axis. This is the shape of d orbitals, that is metal d orbitals, before approaching the ligands. That is, d orbitals are in degenerate state. Its meaning is, before approaching the ligands, the d orbitals are in same energy, even though they have different in shapes.